Thank you for watching another episode of Stoner's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is another one of our Christmas builds we're doing in November, so that you have the opportunity to order one yourself, hopefully to get it before Christmas, should you so choose. This is another Law's Ideas Christmas type house, gingerbread kind of scenario there. You got Santa Claus, and you got a little kid, and you got a sleigh. This should be a pretty quick kit to build. I would expect maybe about a day max. These are mini bricks, so they are not Lego compatible. They are Lego style. They have the same shaped bricks for the most part, but they definitely are not Lego compatible. They are too small. But anyway, so you see the outside of the box there. I have to be a little bit careful because these are really iridescent boxes and they shine the light right into the camera. But anyway, let's get her opened up here and we'll take a look inside. We have noticed with these brick kits, they tend to have poster style instructions, which is probably what we'll find here. The other thing with these kits is we found is they do not have numbered bags, or they'll have numbers on the bags, but they don't use the numbers. Let's see here. Yeah, no numbers on the bags there. So you have to open all the bags. It's good to keep them separated into individual containers when you do, though, as they do tend to have the same. They don't mix the bricks with in different kits usually, or in different bags. So you're definitely good to keep them separated, and you're in good shape. But yeah, so we've got 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 bags and some decals. And here is our instructions. Like I said, they are in poster style format. Not my favorite, but you know, I suppose it's probably the cheapest way for them to do it and show a lot at one time. They always give you a looking of the bricks there at the top of the first page there on the front page. Which is handy because sometimes it can be really hard to find a brick if there's only one of them in the whole big pile, especially when you're first starting out. So it's good to know whether you're looking for something that's just lone by itself versus one that's where there's a couple of them that you should be able to see and find them a little easier. But yeah, I'll get this built real quick, and on the camera, of course, and give it a good review. And let you know whether it's worth purchasing. The Law's Mini stuff we tend to like. They tend to be a pretty good brand, so hopefully this will continue with that precedent. Alright, thanks again for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. We have a camera that needs to be replaced for $3 a month. You get access to our videos ad-free. That $3 will help you decide what to love making next. Thanks a lot. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.